Look at this big bug nest. It's like King Kong wasps flying out of there. Hi, I'm Mike with Mr. Happy House. About to show you what we got going on. We're tearing off this old sheetrock ceiling and putting in Hardie cedar mill 4x8 sheets. We're gonna remove all this sheetrock. See how it's part of the reason why we're replacing it. Sheetrock cracks over time. See all these cracks? Doesn't look too appealing, especially when you're buying a new home or selling an old one. The Hardie siding benefits is, you know, it's got a 30-year warranty where, you know, prevents from delaminating or cracking or falling apart. You can see how flimsy this sheetrock is. Cracks and falls apart. I mean, it's mostly for inside. It's going to make a big difference. Here we got ceiling made out of sheetrock. You see the old-fashioned way of doing it. Cracks up, doesn't hold up the test of time. This is sheetrock. It's just a tape joint, so everywhere, every seam is cracked. And we're just updating it with Hardie. Here's another crack. If you look hard enough, you can kind of see the seams. That's the problem with sheetrock. It's a gypsum material and absorbs moisture. So, oh, and look at the bugs. They love it. They're getting into their home. Those are the old can lights. Yeah, what we got here is a typical can light in the sheetrock. All kinds of bugs and crud get into lights. And look at all this cracking sheetrock. We're taking this out and we're gonna put Hardie. It's called cedar mill 4x8 sheets. Wasps love this. That's why Juan sprayed it with some hornet spray, a bunch of bugs. You want some safety glasses, Juan?
For now it's okay. I'm going to put my...
Yeah, we're redoing this porch ceiling with Hardie 4x8 sheets, cedar mill, and then we're gonna put Hardie cedar mill siding on these posts, kind of dress up the front porch and back porch of this home. Look at this big bug nest. It's like King Kong wasps flying out of there. And look at all the bugs get in those older style boxes. The new LEDs don't have that. The old can lights coming out. Look at how many bug nests get in these old can lights. How disgusting, huh? Installation of the Hardie 4x8 sheets. More solid feeling. Hey Juan, just hit that board. I want to show people how strong that is. Hit it with your fist. See how tough that is? Can't do that with sheetrock. We're nailing onto the joist. These all come with a template. This is a 8-inch. See, 8-inch template. So we'll cut out the hole in the sheet sheet of Hardie 4x8 sheets, and it goes right up in place.